I'm inside the paid plan. It's I think €20 a month, and you need it if you want to make your own custom GPTs or your own custom assistants inside ChatGPT. You can use other GPTs from other people in the free plan, but if you want to make your own assistants, you must have the paid plan. Without further ado, we're going to start. We're going to our account and we're going to click here. We're going to My GPTs, and then we click on Create a GPT. When we come in this field, we see we can choose Create or we can choose Configure. Now, if you're on your first try, I would say we're going to Create because we can fill in a lot of stuff over here, but for the basics it's better and it's more guided setup to go to Create. So we go to Create and we see the question already. What would you like to make? I want to make a face post generator for my bakery company. Enter, and now we see it will update the GPT and it will ask other questions, and then later on we can start testing our GPT in this screen. So now it's asking for the GPT, and I will ask if we will add a picture. So do you think it's okay? Bakery post maker. I think it's a great idea. Thank you. Oh, did I hit enter? Yeah, I think I hit enter, but my computer's lagging on my internet. Fantastic, let's create a profile picture of bakery post maker. And now it's generating with Delhi the image for the generator, and now we see here bakery post maker, and we see it's giving starter options: write a post for a new cupcake, create a Facebook post, draft a thank you post for customers, write a post promoting a special weekend brunch. And now we have our own assistant, so we can try it out. Can you make 3 days for special 3 cupcakes for the price of 2? And now we can test and see what's happening inside our assistant. Do we like it? Do we like the output? And if we don't like the output, we can go back to the left side of our screen and we can say, hey, for example, I don't want the emojis in the post. Can we change this? So now we have our posts. I think they are great for first try, but I don't want the emoji. So I'm going back and I say, I like the assistant, but I don't want the emojis. Can you change this for me? And now you see it's updating the GPT. So this is a way to interact with ChatGPT and customize our own assistant. So now it's updated, so we're going to try it again. Can you give me 3 posts for my weekend special? 1 cupcake for €2. And now we're going to see, does it use emojis anymore, or is it gone? It's gone. And this is the way we're going to iterate and going forward, backward with our assistant to fine tune it to a way it should or needs, and we can use it. And if it's ready, we think this is great. So we have made a post, we can ask it for different sessions. Now I asked for 3 posts, I can ask for 5 posts, and now I want to deploy it, so I say create it. I click on the create bundle. Now I can choose it's only for me, so I get a URL and I can use it. We can share a link with anyone with the link, so we get a link and we can share the link and people can use it. and they can use it on their own account, so it's not costing us anything. We get the work upfront and they can use it, and we can put it in a GPT store and can share it with the world. So for now I'm going to only me, save it, and this is how we make our own first AI assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to this video, and if you want to learn more about AI, go to the link below this video and join my community to become an AI pro. From beginner to pro, I help you in my community, so I will see you there.